How to use a digital thermometer. This training video demonstrates the correct handling and operation of a digital thermometer, including preparation, usage, and safety precautions. Let us first understand the main components. Display, power measure button, sensor, protective cap. Let us see how to use the digital thermometer on the patient. This is a simple digital thermometer with a single button and clear display for accurate readings. Remove the protective cap and press the button to power on the thermometer. Place the tip gently on the measurement site and hold still. The thermometer quickly measures the temperature. Once the reading is complete, remove the thermometer carefully. Check the temperature on the digital display and note it down for reference. Turn off the thermometer, clean the tip, and place it back in the cap for safe storage. Now, let us see the important safety precautions to follow while using a digital thermometer. Always wipe with cotton before and after use. Do not use on cuts, sores, or irritated areas. Avoid dropping the thermometer to prevent damage. Don't expose the thermometer to very hot or cold environments. Always keep the protective cap on when not in use.